Hi guys! Kumusta kayo? In today's video ay magluluto tayo ng tortang talong with giniling. Favorite ko ang recipe na ito kasi obviously combination siya ng tortang talong with ginisa na ground beef. Masarap talaga ang combination na ito kaya umpisahan natin. Sa mga sangkap, kailangan natin ng ground beef, itlog, talong na niluto ko sa oven, garlic, carrots, spring onions, canola oil for frying, tubig, salt and ground black pepper, at pati na rin soy sauce. Sa lista ng mga ingredients, check nyo lang ang description box below. So, ang una kong ginawa dito ay niluto ko muna ang talong in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. So, once luto na yan, malaman nyo kasi soft na yung talong. So, madali siyang i-peel or balatan. Alright? So, iset aside muna natin yan and then kuha tayo ng pan on medium heat. Ilagay natin ang ground beef. So, ginisa ko yan, niluto ko yan mga about 5 minutes and then after that, I season it with salt and ground black pepper. Gisa-gisa lang. Then, lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Tapos, gisahin rin yan. And then, i-add na rin natin dito ang chopped na carrots. Maliliit yung pagkaka-chop natin. And then, ilagay rin natin ang, tawag dito, garlic. So, isuti ang garlic mga about 3 to 4 minutes. And then, lagyan natin ng konting tubig. And then, lastly, ilagay natin ang spring onions. So, mga about 12 to 15 minutes ang pag-gisa ko nito on medium heat. And then, iset aside natin yan. So, kuha tayo ng bowl, ilagay ang 3 itlog, season it with salt and ground black pepper, and then i-beat natin ito using fork. And then, ilagay natin dito ang talong. Katulad ng ginawa ko dito. And then lastly, lagyan natin ng spring onions. Set aside natin yan. Then, kuha tayo ng pan, lagyan ng oil on medium heat. Once mainit na yung oil, ilagay or i-fry natin ang talong. And then, immediately, lagyan natin ng yung ginisang giniling kanina. Dapat on top of the talong. Then, lastly, pour in the remaining egg mixture. So, ang ginawa ko dito ay yung mga excess na, nasa labas na itlog, nilagay ko lang siya on top. And then, I fry this about 4 to 5 minutes on medium-high heat. On each side, yan. And that's it. So, sa pag-fry ng itlog, mga about 10 minutes kasi nga 5 minutes on each side on medium heat. And then, just transfer it to a plate and then, it's ready to serve. Favorite ko talaga ito and nag-share kami ng asawa ko which is nagustuhan niya rin. So, it was a hit. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Take care.